Okay, today I'm going to show you guys this new Ninja blender, and this thing is really awesome. One thing that I really like about it just right off the bat is it does have these little suction cups on the bottom. You saw when I was trying to take it off, it is a little bit hard to take off the ground, but it does a really good job of putting it in place. One thing to note is this is plugged into the wall, but it doesn't actually turn on until you put the blender cup in and lock it. So you put it in, and then you lock it, and then you're going to be able to select your options. So that's really cool. It does come with 2 of these cups as well, which is awesome, and it has your measurements on the side of the cup, so you can see how much to fill it. So I'm going to make a little banana smoothie. I got some protein, I got some bananas, some milk, and yeah, I'm going to throw this in there. Whoops. And show you guys how it works. So there's 3 different options. There's the pulse, the smoothie, and the crushed. For the smoothie, it's going to go up, and then it's going to let it come down and settle for a second, wait a couple seconds, and then go again. And then for the pulse, that is where you can just hold it down and control your own time. And then crush is going to be more for ice cubes, I believe. So putting some milk in there. I'm going to throw a second banana in there too. Why not? Okay. Oh. All right, so now I'm just going to screw this cap on. Yeah. Oh. All right, I got some protein powder, some collagen, some milk, and a couple bananas in there. Now let's lock this thing into place. So now it's locked into place. Now I can choose what I want to do. So I'm going to show you guys the smoothie option. So there you can see how it's smooth. It pulses it up and then it stops. So this is going to help. It's got the timer on there as well, and like I said in the beginning, it does have some stuff on the bottom, so this is saying it can be pretty loud. Yeah, there we go. So 50 seconds. As you can see, it was loud. It was really rotating hard. The suction cups at the bottom help this thing from not moving around on its own, which is great and is a great feature. So here's how it came out. It should be really smooth. Yeah, I'm going to try it out. Very good. So that's a really good smoothie. That's really cool. That is the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro.